Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yes, today is Sunday, August 21st, 2022, and it's about 3 p.m. my time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, this is the time to subscribe. Like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. You understand? The reason we haven't seen or heard anything from me for the past 2 weeks or so is because I was on vacation with my family. You have to take some time to get some R&R with the family. And most important thing, you understand, vacation is very important. Visit different places. But as time goes by, I show a little piece of my vacation to my loyal viewers and subscribers. As you have seen, on the thumbnail, it's showing Exodus. 400 teachers resigned to take up job in the USA, in the United States of America. JTA boss say he will not tell them don't leave. What most people do not understand, people migrate for many different reasons. These reasons can be classified as economic, social, political, or environmental. Economic migration, moving to find work or follow a particular career path. Social migration, moving somewhere for a better quality of life or to be closer to family or friends. Political migration, moving to escape political persecution or war. Environmental migration, causes of migration include natural disasters such as flooding. For our teachers to move from Jamaica and pick and take up job in the United States of America, that is economic and social migration. Also, you can say it's political. So it's not environmental because there's no natural disaster there such as flooding or, you understand. And the reason why these teachers are migrating in Exodus is because when they get paid today, they're embarrassed, they're financially embarrassed tomorrow. They cannot afford to pay their bills. Teachers going to work, they have to be selling biscuits, candies, and stuff to help to pay their bills. Nobody wants to live like that, hand to mouth. You understand? And we have seen the Jamaican government have been wasting billions on social intervention to curtail crime, to prevent the young people them from involving life of criminality, in which it doesn't work. You understand? So eventually, you know what is going to happen in Jamaica? We're going to have like the likes like Blackman, Andre Blackman, the leader of the um, One Dan gang, a breakaway of the Klansman gang, teaching our children in Jamaica. This is long time coming in. But I have been imploring our police officers to do the same thing too. They have been the police officers, have been migrating to, but what the police hierarchy have been doing, they have been minimizing the exodus. You understand? Because a lot of police officers, when they resign, they're not accepting their resignation because I don't know who in their right mind in a job and you want to resign and you're supposed to give your employer 6 months before you can leave the job. You understand? That would be 6 months of torture. You understand? So I'm very happy when I was able to just submit my resignation and call it a day. You just resign and that's it. But this government, because of their implementation of the Indicom Act and all the anti-discipline legislation, that is why the teachers are migrating. The teachers realize that the system is designed for the terrorists. And the terrorists, the teachers are teaching them. We have seen videos where teachers are being attacked by students. Some even a teacher almost lost his life in Cumberland from one of his student attack. You understand? And the likes, teachers have to be after going to school with guns in Jamaica to defend themselves because students are bringing guns to school too. And some of these boys, they are gang members, big time killers and They want the teachers to be scared of them, so the teachers cannot even talk to them. And the government support these criminals and their parents. Imagine as a teacher, the teacher cannot talk to these students because they'll be attacked by the parents and the community at large. So, that's a problem that we're having right now in Jamaica. So the teachers are migrating to greener pastures. I have a cousin. I have a cousin and her husband, and she migrated through the same program, and she's a United States citizen now. You cannot tell her and others to go back to Jamaica and teach because she's living a very, she's living an exotic life in America. She um, she doesn't have to worry about paying her bills and stuff like that. And it's the teaching profession and here is different from Jamaica and the respect that that she has received as a teacher. There's no parent that's coming to attack her and or any student, and she doesn't have to raise people children in the school in America. You understand? Because the children know what they're supposed to do when they're in school. You know. So some people choose to migrate. Someone who moves to another country to enhance their career opportunity. Some people are forced to migrate. You understand? And that is what happened with these Jamaican teachers. You know, and their push factors are the reasons why people leave an area. They include lack of service, lack of safety, high crimes, crop failure, drought, flooding, poverty, war, and Jamaica have a poverty problem. You understand? The pull factors are reasons why people move to a particular area. They include higher employment, more wealth, better services, good climate, safer, less crime, political stability, more fertile and lower risk from natural disaster. Migration happens as a result of combination of these pull factors. Security, you understand? If you're not secure in your own country, you have to migrate to where you feel secure. Any teacher who live in Jamaica and say that they're secure, they are lying because the environment is more conducive for criminal. And as you can see, Jamaica is brain dead right now, brain drain, second in the world. I'll touch on that later on. You know, so those of you who are saying I'm investing in Jamaica, Jamaica is not only brain drain but number two in the world, above Afghanistan. That is where you have the Taliban who are persecuting women, attacking women in every way. Syria, you have a civil war there. In Africa, you have a lot of instability in Africa. Because as usual, anywhere the black people are, you know that the Europeans is always there to cause problem because they want to make sure that they're in control. And it's the same thing that's happening in Jamaica. They want to make sure that they are in control of Jamaica. You understand? So they just want to destroy the island so that they can get it for themselves. Because Jamaica is a paradise. Christopher Columbus, when he visited Jamaica, when he entered Jamaica, he says that Jamaica, is the Garden of Eden, it's the prettiest place on earth. So why do you think the Europeans, they are funneling money into Jamaica? That's why we're having the exodus of our teachers. And the government and all, they don't respect our teachers to pay them properly. You understand? One, teacher going to school have to be selling biscuits and snacks and candies to the student just to pay their light bill and stuff like that. You know, teaching in Jamaica is not a rewarding career. So that is the reason why our people are migrating by the in exodus to other countries. And it's the same thing with the nurses. Nobody wants to get paid today, and tomorrow you're financially embarrassed. People want to live and feel comfortable and safe in their country. As I was talking to one of my schoolmates, a few months ago, and you know what he told me? But it's better for you to suffer in a next man country, you know, than to suffer in your country. And that was riveting. So I asked him why. He said, when you suffer in your country, it's worse than when you're suffering. It's better when you are suffering in a next man country than your country. As if your country not creating any opportunity for you to live a meaningful life. What's the sense? It's better you go somewhere and suffer there. So that's why a lot of people are migrating. Many people are migrating to the shores of North America, even the criminals too. But you don't want them to be in your midst. You understand? It is unfortunate that 400 teachers, and there's more to come, that have migrated from Jamaica to the United States of America. And guess what? The Jamaican teachers are some of the best teachers in this classroom in the United States of America because they take the time out to spend time with these children who are struggling, reading, and doing math than what they would do in Jamaica because of these children' behavior. Yes. So thanks, to former Prime Minister Bruce Golding and Dr. Peter Phillips for what they have done, give us income, unleash the terrorists and the Jamaican people. Now we're having the exodus of teachers. We were having the exodus of police are still migrating in droves, but they are not, telling you. You understand? But as I have said, my wish is for all the Jamaican police to migrate and leave the police force so that St. Andrew Holiness and Mark Golding and their acolytes, they can man the security of the nation. And they can outsource it to the dance too. 'Cause if they outsource the crime to the dance, Jamaica will be much safer because the dance don't have to report to anyone. You understand? And it's a sad day. Migration of 400 teachers from Jamaica to the United States of America. And there's more to come. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Have yourself a beautiful day. And those who are joining, you're welcome. Have yourself a nice and beautiful Sunday. Peace be unto you.